Okay, friends, I am back, and I'm going to show you how I make a real nice quiche. I'm going to do a ham and cheese quiche for my husband with a hash brown crust. And it's very easy to do. I mean, the work is all in shredding the potatoes if you want, or you can use the store-bought already shredded potatoes. Just thaw them out and, you know, wring out the excess water and make sure you get as much of that water and moisture out of there as you can. These I grated myself. These are my own potatoes, and I've got about 3 cups here. I washed them, or I rinsed them and drained them and wrung them out really good. And I used a tea towel to wring mine out. But anyway, this is real simple. It's just the hash browns, and I'm going to put 2 eggs in here. I'm going to do a little bit of pepper, because I do pepper on everything. Now, if you want, which I'm not going to do, but if you want to, you can always add a little bit of cheese to this mixture. Anyway, I'm just going to mix this up the best that I can. Nice and incorporated. This stuff is wonderful. And that egg will act as a good binding agent to make this into a nice pie shell. Now you're going to want to heat your oven to 425 degrees. You don't need any oil or butter or anything in here, so it makes it even a little less fattening than normal. So, okay, that is all mixed up. See how good that is? Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit at a time here, and I'm going to mash it around in here. And you want about a 9-inch pie plate. You can make these smaller, you know, just do your potatoes accordingly. This is 3 cups that I've got in here. Make sure it goes all the way up the sides. Put that around real good. And then this is going to bake in your oven for about 15 to 20 minutes because you want it nice and golden brown. And while that's baking, I don't think I'm going to need all these. So there'll be a nice little hash brown. While these are baking, we're going to put together the filling for it. Okay, that's good. I had a little bit left. Not too much. I'll make a hash brown out of that. Okay, my hands are clean. I just want to push this down and bring it all the way up on the edges because I want a nice shell. Okay, so that's that. Let me wash my hands off. Okay, so as soon as my oven is preheated, I'm going to put this in there. And then we'll be back and I'll show you how to do the filling. Okay, friends, I am back and we are going to put together our filling for our quiche. Now the basic filling, without anything extra in it, would simply be 5 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1/3 cup of milk. So we will go ahead and we will crack these 5 eggs in here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now before I put anything in there, I'm going to just gently mix these up. Now you don't want to over whip these, just gently mix them so that it mixes the eggs and the whites together nicely. See? Just real easy. These are going to be really fluffy. You definitely do not want to overbeat them. Okay? Okay, so with that, I'm going to add in my cream. If I can get it open. Holy cow, there we go. And that's 1 whole cup, so it's 8 ounces. Okay? And just mix that together. This is going to be a dream quiche, I'm telling you. Now you just want to mix it till it's combined. Okay? Okay, and then we're going to do 1/3 cup of whole milk. Okay, mix that together. Now this, friends, is your basic quiche mix. Very easy. You could just bake it just like this. Throw some cheese in it. Bake it just like this if you wanted. But I am going to add ham and cheese to mine and a few scallions and some salt and pepper. So, put that over there. Now I got a few of my little handful of scallions there. My husband likes them, but not too much. I'm going to add a nice 8-ounce package of cheese. The whole thing, 8 ounces. And mine is sharp cheddar. I love the flavor of sharp cheddar anyway. So, and then I'm going to put in a nice, it's like 2 small ham, maybe, gosh, just 2 small ham steaks. I can't even tell you what they would weigh, or, you know, just maybe 1.5 cups. I'm sorry about that, friends. My camera died and I had to plug it in and put my milk away. So, okay. See that? I got all my stuff in there. My cheese, my ham, a little bit of my scallions. Now, I may not even add salt because that cheese tends to be a little salty. And that may just be enough to complement the eggs. Just the way it is. But you got to have a little pepper in there. Okay, so as soon as the pie shell is done, I'll be back. We'll fill it and we'll get it baking. Okay, friends, I am back and it's steaming and it's done and it's golden on the edges. So what we're going to do is start scooping this in here. This is going to be wonderful. I'll probably have a little extra left over because I tend to go overboard, you know. And that's hot, and that will be beautiful. Okay, so that is going to go back in the oven at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes. And I'll be back when it's done and I'll show you how good it looks. Okay, friends, I am pulling it out of the oven right now. And there is our beautiful quiche. Our ham and cheese quiche with our hash brown crust. And look! There's a little baby I made out of the leftovers. Perfect, in a little ramekin. Turned out great. Okay, and see how it jiggles? Y'all, you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see here. It's screaming hot. It just jiggles in the middle just a little bit. You can see. This one you can probably see better. Let me zoom in on it and I'll show you. See how that jiggles? That's what you want. That way it's beautiful, it's done, And just look at that. Look at how gorgeous that looks. All that dark brown and the crust you can see on the edges. I don't know if you can see the under that edge or not, but it's all beautiful golden brown. So, now that's got to cool for a while, but man, does that ever look wonderful. And that's sinking as it cools. But anyway, that's fine. That's what it's supposed to do. So there you have it. That is a quick, very easy ham and cheese quiche with a wonderful crispy hash brown crust. I hope you give it a try. It really is good. Thanks for watching.